has personal completion.
Oh, thank you.
You're not as clean as you think. Aren't you glad you used Dial?
Very different form of reproduction where they have to carry a large load for about a year, but it appears to be free, all tied up with efficient springs and this recycling the energy that seems to occur within those springs, tendons in the back legs.
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down. Make it a Bud Light.
Think you're honking at, huh? What, you don't like the way I drive? Why don't you come on in here? I'll give you a driving lesson. You want a piece of me? Why don't you come out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? Why you think? Oh, I don't like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy new buttons? Huh? Speed out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Attorney General.
All right, back in the trunk.
You are watching Midnight Spank.
Bennett! Bennett, dinner!
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Your hat is fabulous. How about if we don't give us a ticket today and just a warning?
License and registration.
Okay.
This your monkey?
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.